Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
This is Vincent Yu. Welcome to Mount Pleasant area.
Now the property is at 3263 Hickerson Drive in San Jose. The property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,228 square feet of living space. It's been completely remodeled inside and out. The lot size is over 5,000.
Come in and take a look.
So now we're sitting in the living room.
Yeah, they recently opened up the kitchen and dining room, so you can entertain your guests while you're cooking.
And recently, the sellers also upgraded the windows to dual pane windows, as well as added new recessed lighting.
Welcome to this open kitchen. We have beautiful closed countertop and brand new electric stove.
So I'm in the master bedroom, and one of my favorite features is that the master bathroom is extremely close by. Now recently it's been upgraded. You have new tile, new vanity countertop, as well as new shower door.
Welcome to this extra bedroom. It can be a kid's room and office. What I like it about is there's a window I can see it to the front. Welcome to this low maintenance backyard. You have beautiful plants, patio, you can have barbecue and entertain your guests.
Here at Mount Pleasant Elementary School. Hello friends, today we're at Mount Pleasant Park and it has volleyball and soccer ball and basketball.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.